Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel to show you how to make a simple Christmas centerpiece for your dining table. So today I decided to do that. I gathered a few stuff from the dollar store and Hobby Lobby. Color scheme is not the traditional Christmas colors. As you can see here behind me, my Christmas tree is in the shade of white, pink, and blush, and very neutral. I want my centerpiece to kind of match a little bit, and plus I want to be able to use that centerpiece all year round as well. So that's why the color scheme that I picked out today are going to be for all year round colors, so I don't have to keep on buying or updating my decor. So now let's go ahead and get started. So I got two of these, and I also got two of those. To use them, but I bought them just in case. And I also got these fake handle. Got these. I don't know if I'm going to use them. I just bought them anyway just in case. So these are just the rhinestones. I was looking for silver, but they didn't have it, so I might use this. But my decor is actually silver, but maybe we can just add a little bit of gold since this is so I got 3 jars or vase. So I was thinking I'm gonna put that inside. They didn't have the fake one that is like the big one. They didn't have it. These are the only ones I found today. So this, I got 3 jars or vase. So I was thinking I'm gonna put that inside. So this and this. So these are all the items from the dollar store. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So $11 for all of these. And yeah, so let's go ahead and show you the other stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby. This one also from Hobby Lobby, and this was also 50% off or 66% off. And this one is like my favorite. It's super tiny, cute little flower, and it's like peach. So this one is light pink, and this is peach and white. And I also went to the Christmas section, and they were also having a sale. I believe it's 66% off. So I bought these. I absolutely adore these little birds that has bow on the sides, or on the feather. Super cute. Last component of my project. So I just got this block. I'm going to use it to lift the vases inside, so it's a little taller. So I got that free. And this is a walnut box that my husband built like a few years ago, and I use this all the time. And you can easily get this in any craft store actually. It's up to you. You can use a shoe box, or you can make your own box, wooden box that looks like this. I decided to put the string lights in there, and I thought it looks so romantic. So now you have two options. You can use fake candles or just put string lights like that. And I placed the battery in there. But I think this project turns out super pretty. Thank you so much for watching, and I want to greet you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I am very thankful that you guys are supporting my channel, watching my videos, and giving me positive feedbacks. I really do appreciate that.